Hi, I'm Danielle.
Hi, I'm Andrea, and we're going to teach you how to be a true celebrity fan.
Johnny Depp, you're deep. I like to watch you when you sleep and smell the shirt in which you slept, Johnny Depp.
Now, as you can see, our example for a celebrity is Johnny Depp.
In order to become a true celebrity fan, there are three main stages that you have to go through. They are the buying stage, the learning stage, and of course, the last and final phase, the obsession phase. Now, the first stage is the buying stage. In the buying stage, you buy basically any movie your celebrity has been in, memorabilia, and clothing and anything else you can get your hands on. The second stage is the learning stage. Now, in the learning stage, this is where you'll learn everything about your celebrity. In order to do that, you'll have to go buy your Bible. Now, your Bible can be anything from an autobiography or a biography about your celebrity. This is where you'll get most of your information, like their birthday,
June 9th,
their real name,
John Christopher Depp II,
and who their parents are.
Debbie and Christopher.
The third stage is the complete obsession stage. Now, in this stage, you'll eat off, drink from, sleep with, and just constantly think about your celebrity.
Now that we told you the three basic stages, all you have to do is remember them. Buy, learn, and obsess. Now you should be ready to be a true celebrity fan. Or stalker. Happy hunting!